chili chutney, pilipili ya kukaanga. So you'd use any chili peppers. They could be red, they could be yellowish, yeah, they'll be green, so whichever. So that would be the main ingredient, okay? Yeah, so we got ours from the farm. You can see there are plenty in season. That's what abundance looks like here in the village. Let me know which variety you have, jalapenos or what. Yeah, so I harvested a few. Actually, we used all of them. If you want it more chillier, you can use more. So you cut, then you blend like that. You can see how the blend is blending. Then you cook them using oil. Yeah. So in your chili chutney, you can mix as many things as possible, like salt and the chilies, onions, tomatoes. There you go.